Hey, it's Clay Trader. This will be a video chart on ticker symbol FRFS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes worth of time. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move here, not only from a price action perspective, but if you look down here at the volume, you can see by far the biggest volume this chart has had in a very long time. So let's first start by talking about areas of support, then we'll talk areas of resistance. First area of support is what I would call the ideal level. I mean, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 2 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 2 cents, by no means am I saying that the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above there, that would certainly be a huge sign of power on the bull's part. Next level of support after that, down there at 0.014. So shorter term, 0.02, 0.014, two key levels of resistance. If you care about more so kind of just the big picture of things, the grand scheme of it all, that is where the purple line here comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average. Now, I realize that purple line's way down there. The closing price is way up there, but keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, that purple line, the moving average, is going to move itself higher and higher and higher. So if you're just sitting there saying, Clay, look, I just want a very cut and dry way to gauge the strength of the move, this right here being defined as the move, use that purple line. As that purple line moves itself higher and higher, as long as the price stays above it, then the bulls are at full strength, full health, however you can best visualize that. Again, yeah, if the price can stay above 0.02 or 0.014, that would be preferable. But as long as the price stays above that purple line from the grand scheme of things perspective, then the trend is fully in the bull's favor. What about areas of resistance? As it stands right now, the party stopped today right up there at 0.03. So 0.03 is going to be public enemy number one going into tomorrow. All in all, though, in my opinion, at least top priority is not really breaking levels of resistance. Top priority is going through healthy consolidations and building higher bases, because as long as you have higher bases being built over time, the long-term overall chart will take care of itself, which includes breaking those areas of resistance. So just build those higher bases and sit back and let the trend build itself. But no doubt about it, nice move today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.